Today we're going to be installing Windows NT 4 Workstation. RTM by Microsoft on July the 31st, 1996. Released to retail on August the 24th, 1996. NT4 replaced Windows NT 3.51. It became Microsoft's primary business offering. Before being replaced with Windows 2000. Windows NT4's GUI was based heavily off of the Windows 95 one. Mainstream support for Windows NT4 Workstation ended on June 30th, 2002. Followed by extended support ending in June 30th, 2004. Windows NT4 contains some of the enhancements from the Microsoft Plus for Windows 95 pack. Such as Space Cadet pinball table, font smoothing, high colour icons, and stretching the wallpaper to fit the screen. Windows NT4 was the first release of Microsoft Windows to include DirectX as standard. Version 2 of DirectX was shipped with the initial release of NT4, and version 3 was added with the release of Service Pack 3 in 1997. OpenGL was also supported by NT4, and games such as Quake 3 and Unreal Tournament took advantage of this. Internet Explorer 2.0 was also bundled as part of NT4. Even though NT4 came out a year later than Windows 95, there is no plug-and-play support and no device manager. NT4 also lacked USB support. AGP support was added with Service Pack 3. Large hard disk support, 8GB and bigger, was added with Service Pack 4. The maximum supported RAM is 4GB in NT4, which is better than the Windows 95 alternative, which used to fall over with 480MB of memory. There were 6 main service packs released for NT4. There was a re-release of 6A, but we will cover that in a later video. Service Pack 7 was planned at one stage in early of 2001, but this became the post Service Pack 6A security roll-up and not a full service pack. Windows NT4 Workstation has now been installed. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, catch you in the next one.